channel. So today I have two brand new Paradise Gallery dolls. I have Kayo, Hana, and I have Rainbow Ballerina. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them so that you can see what you really get. So, because life's like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get. Alright, so this one is Kayo Hana. So she comes in this nice box. And I will turn her so you can see. She's wrapped up in there very nicely. And she has a little certificate of authenticity. So she's number 43 of these dolls that were made. And then we'll go ahead and we'll unwrap her and get her out. She's very cute. Move this to the side. And she comes with a cute little headband. Her hair is a wig. It's not rooted, but it's still very, very pretty. And we'll go ahead, we'll take a look at her limbs. Alright. So her hands, they're painted very nicely. Got some little detail into them, some blushing to make it look real. And then her little feet, they're pretty cute too. I'm not going to undo the other one because you can get the picture from just this one. She has some blushing right there. She's got a little bit of blushing on her knees. And she's got the sweetest little facial expression. She's not really smiling, she's just kind of looking like, wait, caption this, what would you think that she's saying?
That's a Squid Game girl there.
So, yeah, so we'll
You want to play a game?
We'll turn on the scale here to see how much she weighs.
That's what she does look like.
Let's see how much she weighs.
0 pounds.
Oh, I think maybe I got a picture on. Oh, is it not working?
You done broke it.
Uh-oh. Try it this way.
The moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun.
She's 2 pounds, 9 ounces, so she has a little bit of weight in her. She's almost 3 pounds. For her size, I believe she's about 22 inches, so for her size, I would say that that's a good weight. Her head's kind of floppy like a real baby. Her arms aren't really posable though, and neither are her legs, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but you can still sit her down. She'll sit by Squid Girl. So that's her. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at the second baby. Da, 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 da. We have Rainbow Ballerina.
Oh no, more Squid Games.
Rainbow Ballerina, this is her certificate of authenticity. She's number 35. So that's that. I love her little outfit. It's so cute. Her little face is so precious.
Her nose looks good.
Yeah, maybe it's from that net that her head's in. My nose is squished! Help me! Help me! Get me out of here! Okay. We'll get you out of there.
Yeah, but I thought they were either Asian or Eskimo. But,
No, I think they're both Asian. Do you like Squid Games, Rainbow Ballerina? Uh-huh.
creepy.
But she doesn't have a scent to her. She's made of a gentle touch vinyl, which is actually a little bit harder than the soft touch vinyl. So, but I do love her little stockings she has on here. I think she's wearing like pantyhose. Yeah. So she's got pantyhose on. She's got nice blushing details. She's got blushing on her knees. I'll take out the one foot so you can see. Her feet are painted very nicely, similar to Kayo Hana's.
Pocahontas, Pocahontas.
Kayo Hana. Alright, we'll put her little pantyhose back on. Oh no, there's no flowers off. I guess it's just the patches onto the top of the foot. If I can get this on, it's harder to put back on than to get it off. I failed Squid Games already. She's gonna shoot me with her laser eye. Help! Alright, well, she didn't kill me yet, so that's a good sign. Alright, so here we go. And her hair, if you're wondering, her hair is a wig as well. Her limbs are not really posable either, like the other one, but I mean, you can still make her sit up if you're proper against something, or she can lay down. So we'll go ahead, we'll push the button, and we'll place her on the scale. And she's 2 pounds 11 ounces, so she's a little bit heavier than Kayo Hana. But between these two, I mean, I think they're both really adorable. They're super cute, nice quality dolls. If you're sensitive to smells, then you might want to pick Rainbow Ballerina because, like I said, she has no scent at all. Kayo Hana smells really good like baby powder. But I definitely recommend both of them. I think they're super adorable. And I will put the link down in the video description if you want to get your own. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!
Oh boy, yeah, one more time. Squid Games. Part 2 is coming soon.
They say I'm full of trouble, living in